Hello everyone, welcome to MBA Karo. So this is the ninth set of the series and it is going to be an interesting one. I hope you must have tried to solve this set. It says that Goddess Durga decided to give a magical prasad that would fulfill their wishes to a top 50 devotees on each of the 9 days. So every day she gave prasad to 50 people. Okay, they were supposed to consume the packet within 3 days as the prasad would get vanished. Everyone would like to consume it as soon as possible. Okay, so like example is also given that if a prasad is given on fourth day, that person should consume by sixth day, or else it will get vanished. Okay, this graph gives the number of unused packets of prasad. Unused means people who have not consumed the prasad, and the number of prasad packets that got vanished by the end of each of the 9 days. Now, first and second day, obviously there will be no vanished because the prasad is available till 3 days, right? So, first 2 days, obviously there will be no vanish. So, from third day onward, there is a vanish of prasad. Then there are some more information given that the number of people consuming the prasad on the last day of vanish is a single digit number for every day. Okay, so that means like first day, if a prasad is given on first day, third day it will be a single digit number. On second day, if the prasad is given, fourth day is considered as the last day, so that is a single digit number. Okay, the number of people consuming the prasad of previous day on day 2 was 15. The number of such persons, that is the people who consume prasad of previous day, increased by a constant number each day. That means that forms an arithmetic progression. It was mandatory for everyone to consume the prasad on the last day. As a result, there were no unused or vanished packets of prasad on the ninth day. So we can say that this number becomes 0. Now, how do we visualize this problem? Right. So starting like, okay, first few days there will be only the previous day. So what we'll have is like for every day there will be some prasad given, and there will be three categories of people. One, let us call them D0, who consume on the same day. Then we can call them D1, D minus 1, whatever you want to call. That means who consume prasad of previous day. And there will be the third category, D minus 2, you can call them, who like consume prasad which was given 2 days ago. Right, so that is the last day they can consume. If they do not consume on D minus 2 this day, they will lose it. Right, so let us have a table. Let me show you how to draw a table of this kind of graph. So we are given this U means unused packets and V means vanished packets, right? So every day she will give prasad to 50 people. So initially 50 people have prasad. Okay, now 50 people have prasad, and D minus 1 will not exist because no one got previous day prasad, right? And this will also not exist. Now 50 people got prasad, unused is 23. That means 27 people consumed on the same day. Okay. Now what will happen is 23 unused packets. If we add 50, that becomes 73. Okay. Now there are 73 packets in the beginning of second day. Now two kind of people will consume either the same day or previous day, and this will again be 0 because there was no prasad given 2 days ago. Okay. Now we are given that the number of people consuming the prasad of previous day or day 2 was 15. So this is the previous day, and day minus 2 is 2 days ago, right? Or the last day of vanish. So this number is given as 15. Okay. So 73 people received, now 73 people have packets and 40 have unused. That means 33 packets were eaten on that day. 33, 15 is here. So this number will be 18. Okay. Now this will go on, right? We will have three category of people. Now some people will, and now how to find this number, right? This is the easiest number to find. See this. If day 1 prasad is given and if someone does not eat it, it will get vanished by day 3. Okay. So day 1 prasad will get vanished on day 3. That means two, two packets got vanished. So that means 50 minus 2, 48 packets were eaten. 48 eaten, 27 here, 15 here, 42. So this number will come as 6. So 48 packets eaten. So 2 were not eaten. So they got vanished. Now we will have to find these two numbers. These two numbers will be used, can be found using this hint. So let us read this hint. It says that the number of people consumed the prasad of the previous day on day 2 was 15. Okay. And the number of such persons increased by a constant number each day. So this is 15. It can increase by 1%, 2% every day, like kind of thing. Right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this number can become 22. If it increases by 1, it can become 29 or it can become 36 also. Okay. Now, if now one more thing that we need to keep in mind is we have to use these two conditions also in order to find out which number will it be. Now, if we see this, on the last day, it was mandatory to consume the prasad on this day. So all 50 people who received on this day will consume the prasad on this day. Okay. Now, if this number is 34, that means 84 packets are available. 50 consumed this. So 34. So that means only 34 packets are to be eaten by these two categories of people, right? Because 34, these 50 who received the new packet, they consumed on the same day. So 34 packets remain. So this 36 is not possible because that will make this like it will exceed 34. Okay, that will give a negative value here. Now, suppose 22 people consume the prasad of previous day. That means 12 more people who received on 7th day should consume it. Right? Because this total should be 34. 34, 50 new people receive it. 84, 84 में से 50 again चला गया तो वो that is irrelevant. ये 50-50 हट जाएगा तो 34 have to eat the prasad. These 34 people have to eat on the last day. So if we take 22, it will be 12. Now read the first point. It says the number of people consuming the prasad on the last day of Vanish. So this is the last day of Vanish of 7th day. This is should be a single digit number. So this cannot be 12. So that means this will be 29 and this number will be 5. Okay. So 29 means it should increase by 2 every day. So what we can do is we can fill this information 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27 and 29. So we have filled this information. Now we will complete the table like this using the same method. So if you see this, this is 40. 40 से हो जाएगा 90. 90 और now we have to count this कि दो vanish भी हो गए. ठीक है. So 90 इससे 90 से हमें ये सारे नंबर माइनस कर देना है. वी विल गेट दिस नंबर. 90 हो गया. 23 लोगों ने खा लिया एंड दो वैनिश हो गए. 25 वैनिश हो गए और 43 अभी भी बचे हैं. सो 90 माइनस 43 minus 25, that will be 22. So that means 22 people consumed the prasad on this day. So this is how we will fill this. We have to complete this table, right? So let me just complete it. ये यहाँ पे 6 बच रहा है. So 6 means that 44 people should consume it. ठीक है. 44, 35. ठीक है. 35 plus 9 होना चाहिए. So see this, 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 this and this. These should all add to 50. So this and this should add to 50. 15 plus 35, that is 50. Okay. So 9 people. Now we will move on to the next day and do the same activity. So 43 बचा. 50 लोग आ जाएंगे तो 93 हो जाएगा. 93 में से we will subtract all these numbers. So 28 plus 45 is 73. Okay. So 73 means 20 आ जाएगा. Okay. Now we can find this number also. So 41, 43, this should be 7. So that it becomes 50. ठीक है. 39 था. 39 plus 50, 89. ठीक है. 89 we will subtract all these numbers. 59, 68. So this number will be, sorry, 21. 21 आ जाएगा. Now we can fill this 41. 41 plus 3, 44. So this 6, that will make 50. ठीक है. 50 लोगों ने कंज्यूम कर लिया. 38 था. 88 होगा. 88 में से ये सारे सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं. 29, 29, 3, 32 and 68. ठीक है. 88 minus 68, 20 लोगों ने यहाँ कंज्यूम कर लिया. ठीक है. नाउ वी कैन फिल दिस, मतलब ये हम क्रॉस वाला भरते रहते हैं. 44, 44, 45, तो 5 लोग यहाँ हो जाएंगे. और ये भी भर सकते हैं 45 पीपल, 45 प्लस 1 46, तो यहाँ 4 लोग आ जाएंगे. ठीक है. अब ये भर लेते हैं. ये हमारा 36 था. 36 में से 50 लोगों को ऐड कर दो, 86. 86 में से वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट ऑल दिस, 30 and 38, 68, so 18 people consumed here. Now next day we have 37 plus 50, 87. 87 minus 27, 60. 60 minus 39, 21. So 21 people will consume this day. So this is how we will complete the table. Right? This is the way to solve this. So it's a logical DI, and this kind of similar kind of set has been asked in the past also, and this is the order that we fill it. Okay, now this is done. Now we can answer the questions. How many people who received the prasad on day 2 consumed on the same day? So this was something we could have answered immediately, क्योंकि ये हमें पता था 27, we figured out 27 और यहाँ 15 दिया हुआ था. So that was the easiest thing to find out. So the answer is 18. Okay. How many people who received prasad on day 8 consumed it on day 9? So day 8 50 people received prasad. This we could have figured out by finding this AP. जब हमें AP पता चल गया था, so we could have answered 29. ठीक है. So no need to complete the table to answer all the questions. Maybe you solve for this value, ठीक है, and this value, and see the questions and answer them accordingly. Right? That will save your time. You will be able to answer maybe 2 to 3 questions and just move on in the examination. But while practicing, you should try to solve the set completely. What was the maximum number of people consuming prasad on the last day on any occasion? So on last day, that is D minus 2, the maximum number is 9. Now since if it was a theta question, you could have just marked randomly, I mean thinking that it's a single digit number, you could have taken risk to mark 9 as the answer. What percentage of the people who received the prasad on day 6 consumed it on the same day? ठीक है. Day 6 में 20 people consumed on the same day. So the answer is 40, because it is asking the percentage. So out of 50, 20 people consumed on the same day. So the percentage is 40%. So this is how the set had to be solved. Please let me know in the comments that if you were able to understand through this explanation, and if you were able to attempt all 4 questions correctly. So thank you for watching this video and have a great day.